Dear viewers, today we will discuss very important topic related to economics. Definition of economics. Now we will discuss economics is the study of how societies allocate scarce resources to meet unlimited wants and needs. It is a social science that deals with the production, distribution, exchange and consumption of goods and services. Economics seeks to understand how individuals, organizations, and societies make decisions about the use of resources and how those decisions impact the overall functioning of an economy. There are two main branches of economics. First one is microeconomics, second is macroeconomics. Microeconomics, this branch of economics focuses on the behavior of individual actors in the economy, such as consumers and firms. Microeconomics examines how these factors make decisions about production and consumption and how they interact in markets. Macroeconomics, this branch of economics focuses on the performance and behavior of the economy as a whole. Macroeconomics examines issues such as inflation, economic growth, and unemployment and how they are affected by government policies and international trade.